then you have nothing. In my opinion, if you are the children, then you have nothing. You are dependent on the parents. Okay, I am dependent on the parents. Most of the children are dependent on the parents because he have nothing like money and things. So suppose the children are enjoy the life. Then he and she need a money. So he request to the parents, you give me money. But if you are request,
as children are not dependent on others.
Sorry,
children are dependent on others. So that's why they don't have any kind of tension.
Yes, exactly.
So that's why they don't have any kind of stress, any kind of tension.
How can you say that ki no any kind of stress? If I want to the if I want to request the parents for money for entertainments like
Who are committing more suicide?
seeing a cinema halls for going to the cinema hall seeing a movie. Then parents never give me money 1 rupees or 2 rupees. Suppose that if I mistakes, I request to the parents give me money for entertainment, the cinema hall movie. Then he and she never give me money. So how can you say that ki you can enjoy the life in the childhood? But in the once usually first I complete the counter me question. But in the adulthood, but in the adulthood, no anyone asking me questions. Why are you going to the cinema hall? Why are you going to the park? Why are you going to the this place, that place for entertainment?
Tell me when you will be ready to take.
Ready? When in the adulthood you can go anywhere. You can go anywhere. No anyone ask you why are you going? Why are you come in the night? But in the childhood, if you are coming in the after the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, then parents beat you. Where are you? What are you doing? He asked about you, characters, and he called your parents, he called your teachers and friends where he was and where she was. So that's why it create a problem, and so that's why I can say that in the childhood we cannot enjoy the life. So in the childhood we cannot enjoy a level life. It is a very worse life in the childhood. So. But in the adulthood,
Are you ready to take?
Yeah, no sir.
Are you ready to take questions?
Nowadays.
Are you ready to take questions?
Exactly.
Huh?
No.
Okay.
No, first time. It is possible after my struggle. So what's the problem? It's possible after my struggle.
No, struggle no.
No, how can you say that not a struggle?
After birth you joined.
How can you say that without a struggle? If I were
After birth you joined the class. That's why you are in college right now.
because I want to get into different things than the other. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. Yeah. So that's why I'm getting the adult, because when I'm in the adult age, then I have lots of money, lots of facility. Then I can go anywhere with friends, with girlfriends. No matter, no anyone ask you why are you going, why are you go. This the parents also support me. You are good, and I am also support. My parents also support, and my parents said I am also going with you. That time it's a very enjoyable life. That's why I can say that in the adulthood is a very enjoyable level life. No anyone counter you. No.
Want you to have a girlfriend.
So yes. So what's the problem?
What's the problem?
In nowadays problem. But after the adulthood, after the childhood, when I'm in the adulthood, there no any problems, because I know it. If you are in the adulthood, then you can earn lots of money. Then no anyone ask you why are you keep a girlfriend and so that's why that's types of benefits taking after the adulthood. No, in the childhood, if you are making a girlfriend on the money of parents, then parents beat you. But if you are making a girlfriend by the own money, but then that's time no anyone ask you why you are making a girlfriend, why are you. So that's why I can say that adulthood is the best life and childhood is the worst life. Exactly. In the adulthood you can go anywhere. You can go anywhere. No anyone ask you why are you going, why are you come in the night. But in the childhood, if you are coming in the after the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, then parents beat you. Where are you? What are you doing? He asked about you, characters, and he called your parents, he called your teachers and friends where he was and where she was.